Why is point slope form crucial for algebra students? Have you ever wondered how to easily write the equation of a straight line when you know its slope and a point on it? This is where point slope form comes into play. It is a handy tool for algebra students that simplifies the process of working with linear relationships. Point slope form is expressed as y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. In this equation, m represents the slope, while x1 and y1 are the coordinates of a specific point on the line. This format allows students to connect the visual concept of slope with an algebraic equation, making it easier to understand linear functions. When we talk about lines in algebra, we often refer to the relationship between x and y coordinates of points on that line. The slope indicates how steep the line is. It is calculated by taking the change in y and dividing it by the change in x between 2 points. The beauty of point slope form is that it uses this slope and a known point to create an equation that describes the entire line. One of the main advantages of point slope form is its simplicity. Unlike other forms, such as slope-intercept form, which requires finding the y-intercept first, point slope form allows students to jump right in. This makes it a more intuitive choice, especially when graphing lines or solving problems involving linear functions. In practical scenarios, point slope form enables students to quickly write equations for lines that pass through any given point. This is a common requirement in many algebra problems. By mastering point slope form, students build a solid foundation for tackling more advanced topics in algebra and coordinate geometry. This includes concepts like parallel and perpendicular lines, as well as systems of linear equations. Learning point slope form equips students with a flexible tool that bridges the gap between visualizing lines on a graph and expressing them algebraically. This connection helps make the fundamentals of algebra more approachable and clear. So, the next time you find yourself working with linear relationships, remember that point slope form is an essential skill that can simplify your algebra journey.